Hi, Ted Brooks with Alfra Maglogix. I want to talk to you about safe lifting practices, in this case when a tape measure and a centerline mark are simply not enough. One of the best uses for our magnets, because of the multi-pole technology, is when you have a situation of limited contact with the target steel. Say you're taking a skeleton off the plasma table, water jet table, burn table. You've got a lot of missing pieces, and let's face it, I can go through and mark the center line. We did that just a little earlier with the tape measure. And let's see what happens if I try and pick this piece up with one of my smaller magnets, so I can do it by hand, right on that center line. Turn it on, lift it up, and let's see what we're looking at. We are no longer in a normal, safe lifting environment. Now, could I take a hand lifter, put it on here, and start to control that load? I could. But what it shows you is that center line is not always the most accurate information. It's center of gravity. And on a piece like this, it's impossible to figure out what the center of gravity is. That's why a test lift is so critical. You've got to pick the piece of steel up, whatever you're trying to pick up, in a vertical direction where the steel is always horizontal to the floor. Anything else puts a different type of force on the magnet. Our magnets happen to be the best in the industry when it comes to shear force, as we call it, or sliding, which is what you're doing when you're picking up a piece of steel in a vertical direction. You're creating a shear force. But you've probably not calculated for that lift in shear. That's the reason why a test lift is critical. If you haven't picked it up just a little bit, check to make sure that it's horizontal, check to make sure that it's a secure hold. You're not ready to do that lift. Our goal with all of our Alfra Maglogix products is zero safety issues. Safe lifting, safe fabrication, safe steel handling.